you're done, you can pass to the person next to you, to your partner, to your friends. Next person, please. You, madam? Okay, so this is the first ostrich that we bring back now. Can you guess, is it a female or male?
Female.
Female? How you know it?
What's the funny about the male is look like better than
Okay. It makes sense, yeah. On the birds family, actually, the... Jangan pelat, Dik. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You are correct. So actually, on the birds family, the male is more attractive. Their appearance more attractive than the female. You can see the male is more colorful than the female. The female only has a single color, the gray one, while the male has a lot of color, black and pink as well. Okay. Okay, you can feed your ostrich. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
And no, female. Female. This one the female, and two of them is the male one. We have 4 ostrich here, 3 males and 1 female.
That's justice. Not justice.